Peace, family. Anxiety is one of the most debilitating mental and emotional health issues that we deal with today. There are natural ways to go about combating this, but many of us are not doing those things that we need to do in order to correct this issue. This issue can be corrected. Here are 5 steps that one can do. The 5 steps that we can take is to reduce or eliminate sugar, reduce or eliminate fried foods, reduce or eliminate processed foods, reduce or eliminate food additives, and reduce or eliminate caffeine. We must be aware of what it is that we are consuming and how we are feeling after we consume it. In order to get my full guide on how to treat anxiety naturally, DM me. Peace.